US indices have posted a very good drop right from the highs here. So can we expect this to be the beginning of reversal here, or it is going to rally again? And FTSE 100 in Germany 40 has definitely stayed bearish, and today again it started off the day on the bearish note. What to expect today from these five major indices? S&P, Nasdaq, Dow, Germany 40 and FTSE 100. We're gonna see here in this one single comprehensive update. Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit is what we are going to find out here. Also, this is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Watch that as well. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. See, S&P on the hourly charts, it has erased all the gains from this base here. Very, very crucial now for S&P to trade below 6640 levels. As long as it stays above 6640, you should not be treating this as bearish, and specifically the real bearishness will be seen if it trades below 6620 mark. Now see what has happened. I have discussed this yesterday. See, it has created a flat top. We might see a possible reversal. What has happened? It has seen a good dip and now trying to retrace a little. Also look at the formation, rise, retracement, rise here. It is very crucial for S&P to now trade beyond 6670, 6680 mark. That will also confirm the reversal here. If at all it decides to trade beyond 6670, 6680 mark, that will confirm the reversal here. Else it is still not to be treated bullish. The crossover in the moving averages is on the sell side. Stochastic back to overbought. See, interesting thing is the MACD, which has taken a huge dip and now trying to cross over for a buy. So this calls for a little retracement possibly, but I'll wait for it to trade beyond the critical mark at 6670, 6680. RSI rising, which is a supportive sign here. On the 2-hour charts, when you look at similar observation, see it has completed the journey here, now trying to bounce back, trying to get back into the zone. Very, very crucial for it to trade beyond 6670, 80 mark. Stochastic rising. MACD is right now trading bearish. RSI almost flat here, not showing much indication. Coming to 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation here. See, red, green, and now trying to deliver a breakout move. So possibly, if you see it is staying beyond 6668, you can buy for 6674, 6680 zone, and that might also confirm a possible reversal. Remember, look at the dips here. This time it has breached past the 20 period, now waiting for it to trade below the 50 period. Any move below 6640 is the only confirmation of bearishness. Else, as long as it stays above 6640, do not treat this as bearish. In fact, when you look at the last three candles, you can in fact take a sell at 6657 itself. Expect 6650, 6640 as the next targets. Stochastic at the bottom, the MACD crossed over for sell, RSI placed comfortably. Coming to the daily 4-hour, the 4-hour charts also, see, since creating the base here at 6644, it is trying to bounce back, and now we can expect it to retrace a little, but again till 6680 you should not be treating this as bullish. A possible move towards 6680 cannot be denied here, but you have to trade with caution, specifically on the upside. Remember, it has formed a very strong wall on the upside, which is at 6700 mark. That is the level beyond which it is to be treated bullish, else it can drop again sharp any point of time till 6700 levels. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD crossed over for sell, RSI placed comfortably. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, you can see this. It has taken the support right now from the 5 period moving average. Very, very crucial. See, it has formed a double top, which means a greater resistance ahead, and that is why I say till 6480, 67, 6680, 6700 mark, do not treat this as bullish. It can take a huge dip. Look at the divergence of the price from the 20 period, which is sitting at around 6600 mark here. Stochastic looking downwards, the MACD is still in green though. RSI is also trying to come out of the overbought zone. Considering this, what you should do, I will recommend you to buy at 6668, expect 6674, 6680, and if this is taken, then 6690, 6700 mark. If it is really bullish, it has to break beyond 6700 mark, which I do not expect it to do so. I do not expect it to trade beyond 6700 mark. If it does so, stay bullish for 6720, chances for which appears to be less. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 6657 mark, expect 6650 first target, 6644 the next, and 6640 the third. If at all it trades below 6640, stay short for 6620, 6600, and then lower levels should be there. Trade accordingly. Let's move to NASDAQ 100. Similar observation on the tech 100. See, I've mentioned several times 24,800 is the level it has to trade above. Failing to do so, we have seen a reversal. But it is also crucial to note it is yet to break below the support at 24,500, because see, it has formed a good base here, and now from the higher lows it is trying to bounce back. So today any drop below 24,500 is the only confirmation of further bearishness here. Notice it is under retracement, and if you see it is staying beyond 24,650, 660 is where you can say now we are looking at 24,700, 720, or in fact it can breach the record levels again. Stochastic rising, the MACD has seen a good trying to converge crossover for a buy here. RSI is flat. On the 2 hour charts, when you see similar observation here, resistance from the 5 period is getting stronger, and then you can expect 24,6. So you can in fact buy 24,620, expect 24,650, 24,700 as the next targets. Stochastic is rising while the MACD is bearish and the RSI is flat here. Look at 3 hour. On the 3 hour charts, it is delivered red green, and now trying to do a breakout here. Yes, you can buy 24,620, but then 24,640, 660, 24,700 should be the next milestones. Beyond 24,700, again the same zone 24,740, 760 will come into picture. If that is taken, you can just stay bullish. We are in fact looking at 24,900 levels as well. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish, RSI flat. On the 4 hour charts, if you see, preceding candle comes with the red body, it is trying to break out. Staying beyond 24,640, 660 is where the real bullishness will be seen. Else, you can see this, what has happened. If you look at the symmetry, what preceded this was a green move. What could follow is a red wave here. It has to trade below now 24,540, 500 in order to confirm any kind of bearishness. Stochastic at bottom, MACD crossed over for sell, RSI flat. Coming to the daily. Now, before we look into the daily charts and I provide you the trading levels, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, be a part of my mentorship batch where you get all the tools, techniques, and strategies in order to identify a profitable trade. You'll also get, you can repeat the live classes any point of time. You will get the recordings, and yes, you'll be a part of our signals channel on, not signals channel, but students channel where you discuss all the trades and trends. Reach out to me for details. Else be part of my signals channel on Telegram where trading as per the signals also you can profit. Reach out to me for details. Those looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a SAP-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now on the daily charts, very crucial to note, it 5 period has so far offered it a very good support, and it is trading in this bullish channel still. Now it is also notice another point, double top yesterday, very crucial for tech 100 to trade beyond 24,800 mark. What is also happening, higher lows are seen here. Higher lows is a supportive sign that it can follow with a little rise, but till 24,700 you have to be cautious, then 740, 760, and then 24,800. Till 24,800 prices can reverse any point of time. Stochastic overbought, MACD trying to converge, RSI coming out of the overbought zone here. So considering this, what you can do, I will recommend you to buy at 24,620, expect 24,650, 660 first target, 24,700, 720 the next, and then 750, 760. If at all this is taken, then 24,800. Beyond 24,800, sky is the limit, 24,900 and 25,000 levels will be there. On the downside, take a sell at 24,570, 24,540 first, 24,500 second. Any drop below 24,500, stay short for 24,400. Below this, the bears will take over 24,200, 24,000 levels should be there very soon. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Dow Jones. US 30 on the hourly charts. After this greater dip, it is trying to retrace. It is very crucial now for US 30 to trade beyond 46,450 levels. If at all it decides to trade beyond 46,450, that will be the confirmation of further bullishness. Remember, when you look at the movement here, it is trading in this bullish channel. So now 46,400, 500 zone is what you should watch out for. A move beyond this should certainly confirm further bullishness here. Stochastic getting overbought. The MACD has seen a good bottom trying to cross over for a buy. The RSI is trying to trade with moderate bullishness. Look at 2 hour charts. Similar observation on the 2 hour charts. Remember, the preceding 3 candles comes with increasing body size and tails here on the downside. Now here it is crucial to note 46,300 level is what it should break below. So 46,340 itself you can take a sell, but then 46,300, 46,200 is what you should watch out for. This is going to remain the prime support, and then the ultimate one is at 46,100, below which you can say more bearishness to follow. Stochastic rising, the MACD bearish, the RSI flat here. And on the 3-hour, similar is the observation. Right now the price is getting a bit of resistance from the 5 period and the support from the 20 period. Let it stay beyond 24 400 450 zone in order to confirm further bullishness today, and that will be the confirmation of further rise where it can scale towards higher highs. Stochastic rising from the oversold, while the MACD crossing over here at the bottom. See, on the larger time frame, we know that the indices are trading at a highs here. Possible reversal and a breakdown can be seen, but right now we have to wait for it to trade below the critical support zone at 46,200 46,100 mark. As and how it trades below 46,200 100, more bearishness to follow. On the 4-hour charts, higher lows, higher highs. Wait for a reversal. A drop below 46,300 will be a good sign for further sell off. Stochastic at bottom, MACD crossing over here at the top, it's a bearish indication, and the RSI staying flat. Coming to the daily, now see, on the daily charts, first of all, yesterday was a swing day, and this could have become a reversal sign if now today the price is trades below 46,200 46,000 mark. You can say now this is the possible beginning of the reversal, and then the most important one is at 45,800 mark. So till then it is not yet bearish. US, it is delivering higher lows, higher highs, and today again staying beyond 46,400 450. You can say that we might see more bullishness. Yes, the indicators are still comfortable for a further rise. So looking at this, what you can do, I will recommend you to buy at 46,400 mark. 46,450 you can wait for. 46,500 the next, and if this is taken, direct lending is towards 46,600. Now this is crucial, staying beyond 46,600. Stay bullish for 46,800 mark today. I am not in favor of such a rise though. On the downside, you can sell at 46,340, expect 300, 250, 200, and below 46,200, 46,100 the first, and below this you can just stay bearish for 45,950, 45,800 levels. Below 45,800 is where the bears are waiting. Till then it's not yet bearish. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Germany 40. Now DAX on the hourly charts, likewise, see, this is under consolidation, lower highs, higher lows here, waiting for a breakout. See, it is pretty crucial for DAX to trade beyond 24,800 in order to confirm any kind of reversal today. See what's happening here, higher lows are seen waiting for a breakout move. If you see it is staying beyond 24,580 600 mark, you can stay with the buys and expect it to move towards 24,650 660, or in fact 24,700 720 mark. Stochastic rising, MACD trying to cross over for a buy. The RSI is rising as well. Look at 2-hour DAX on the 2-hour charts, likewise looking forward to a rise here, and it appears beyond 23,580 600. We should see a good rise here. Though the MACD is right now trading bearish, the RSI is staying flat. On the 3-hour charts also it is suggestive of little rise, and likewise on the 4-hour chart. So on the 4-hour charts, pretty crucial for DAX to trade beyond 23,650 and then 23,700 mark. A move beyond 23,700 will be a good indication for a further breakout move here. Let's watch out. The move it shows today is going to remain critical. Indicators are perfectly balanced here right now, neither confirming of bullishness nor bearish. If you look at the daily chart, see, higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen, waiting for it to give you a breakout. A breakout move beyond 23,800 is the only confirmation of bullishness, and a move beyond 23,900 is a confirmation of reversal today. Though the moving averages are right now trading bearish, and remember, higher lows here. So a move below 23,400 is where you can definitely expect a greater correction here towards lower levels. So considering this, what you can do, you can buy 23,580 600, expect 640 650 as the first target zone, and if that is taken, 23,700 720. If this is also taken, then 23,800, the most critical one. Any move beyond 23,800 is a sign of reversal. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at now 23,500 levels only, below which you can expect 23,450 400. Any move below 23,400 stay short for 23,300, below which you are looking forward to a greater down move, 23,200 and 23k very soon. Trade accordingly. Let's move to FTSE. Now FTSE 100 on the hourly charts forming a good support at 9,200 mark. It is trying to recover, trying to bounce back. If you see it is staying beyond 9220 9250, this is the mark which is going to offer it a maximum resistance. Till 9250, you should not be treating FTSE 100 as bullish. That is pretty clear here. Yes, the indicators are on rise after a good drop. If you look at 2-hour chart, similar observation. And if you look at 3-hour chart, see, notice it has formed a good support here, also slightly higher low. So this is a box kind of thing in which it is trying to trade. A reversal confirmation only above 9300. The support here at 9200 getting strong. Below 9200, definitely till 9180 you have to be cautious, and then you can expect 9150 levels at the next target. Coming to the daily charts, notice here, drop, retracement, drop here, taking support, waiting for it to take a direction. I will wait for it to trade below 9200 mark, which will confirm further bearishness here, and then you can expect it to trade lower. Right now I can see a good support coming in at around 9200, and hence you have to be cautious of this. So what you can do, remember, it can still show you swings hitting somewhere between 9180 9200. It is going to hit, and that should be the support here. On the upside, I will recommend a buying entry at 9224. Expect 9232, 9240, and then 9250. A move beyond 9250 is stay bullish. For 9268, 9280, 9300, chances for such a great rise though appears less. On the downside, sell at 9200. Expect 9192, 9180. A drop below 9180, stay short for 9165, 9150, and then in fact 9120 will be seen. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates.